Welcome. Let's do some chemistry. In fact, we're going to practice determining how many significant figures are in a particular measurement in this video. Let's get started. In letter A, we've got the measurement 750 meters. Now, if you recall, the 7 and the 5 are significant because they're non-zero digits. However, that last zero is a trailing zero and there's no decimal point, so it does not count towards our total number of sig figs. So we've actually only have 2 sig figs in this particular measurement. In letter B, we have 0.1200 kilograms. Now, that first zero, that's a leading zero, never significant. However, those last 2 zeros are trailing zeros, and this time there's a decimal point, so all 4 of those numbers are actually significant. In letter C, we have 4.6 times 10 to the 5th millimeters. Now, with this measurement, it's written in scientific notation. So when we have a measurement written in scientific notation, we only count the sig figs in the number portion in front of the times 10 to part of that measurement. So here the 4 and the 6 are both non-zero digits, so they will be significant figures. In letter D, you have to be real careful. They give you 20 days. Now this is a count, so this qualifies as an exact number, and if you recall, exact numbers will have infinite number of sig figs. In letter E, we have 20.2 milliliters. Now, the 2 at the beginning and the end of this measurement are non-zero digits, so they definitely count. That 0 in the middle, trapped between them, is a trapped zero, or a captive zero. So in this particular measurement, we have 3 sig figs. In letter F, we have all 3 types of zeros. We have 0.0050290 micrograms. Now again, leading zeros are never significant. So those first 3 zeros in that number or that measurement are not significant. However, the 5, the trapped 0, the 2, the 9, and the trailing 0, because there is a decimal, all are significant figures. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs. In letter G, we have 750 decimal point meters. Now, since there's a decimal point at the end of that measurement, now all 3 of those digits are significant, and we've got 3 sig figs again. In letter H, we have 0.0000000112822 kilometers. All of those zeros are leading zeros. They're all in front of non-zero digits, so none of them are significant. However, the 1,12822, they're all significant, so we have 6 sig figs in that particular measurement. In letter I, we have 6.2010. We've got 1 trapped 0, 1 trailing 0. The trapped 0 is always significant. The trailing 0 here is significant because there is a decimal point in this particular measurement. So we have 5 sig figs. Finally, in letter J, we have 9.7000 times 10 to the 8th nanometers. Now again, we're going to ignore the times 10 to part in that scientific notation. So the numbers out in front are what we're going to count. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs. Those trailing zeros are significant because there is a decimal in this number. Hope this helps you with your significant figures. Continue to follow along for more chemistry content.